Today's topic is indices. We will discuss some laws of indices and then we will understand this topic with the help of example. First, we will discuss the first law of indices. If you have a raised to power m times a raised to power n, see, this is called the base. And for example, if you have a raised to power m, so a is the base, m is the power. So if the bases are same, so the powers will be added and there is a multiplication sign between them. See, a base is same, so the powers will be added. So now we will just take this law with the help of example. For example, if you have 3 raised to power 7 times 3 raised to power 5, see, the bases are same, so the powers will be added. 7 plus 5, so the answer will be 12. In another example, this is first example. In another example, if you have b raised to power 11 times b raised to power 8. So see, the powers are same, so the bases are same, so the powers will be added. So b raised to power 19 is the answer. In the third example, if you have 2x y4 times 3 x raised to power 5 y raised to power 3. So see, the number will be multiplied with the number. 2 3s are 6, and we have x raised to power 1 over here, it is 1, and x raised to power 5, y raised to power 4 and y raised to power 3. So see, now the bases are same, so the powers will be added. Again, the bases are same for y, so the powers will be added. So 6 x raised to power 6 and y raised to power 4 plus 3, 7. So this is the first law. Now we will discuss the second law. Second law of indices. If you have bases same, but there is a division sign between them, so the powers will be subtracted. See, m minus n. So now we will understand it with the help of example. Example number 1. If you have 3 raised to power 8 divided by 3 raised to power 5. See, now we have to subtract them. 8 minus 5, because there is a division sign between them. So see, 3 raised to power 3 will be your answer. If you have minus 2 raised to power 6 divided by minus 2 raised to power 3. So see, bases are same. These are the bases. Bases are same, so the powers will be subtracted. 6 minus 3. So minus 2 raised to power 6 minus 3 is 3. We can take another example. If you have 27 x raised to power 9 y raised to power 4 divided by 9 x raised to power 6 y raised to power 3. So see, the number will be divided by the number. 27 divided by 3 is 27 divided by 9 is 3. Now for this and this, bases are same, so you will subtract the power. See, 9 minus 6. Bases are same, so you will subtract the power. 4 minus 3. So the final answer will be x raised to power 3 y raised to power 1. Now we will discuss the third law of indices. So according to the third law of indices, if you have a raised to power m whole raised to power n, so see, the power will be multiplied with the power. These two numbers will be multiplied with each other. A raised to power m times n. Now we will understand it with the help of example. If you have 4 raised to power 6 whole raised to power 2. So see, now you will write 4 and these two powers will be multiplied with each other. 6 times 2. So 4 raised to power 6 times 2 is 12. We can take another example. If you have 7 raised to power p whole raised to power 3 times 7 raised to power 5 whole raised to power p. So see, the powers will be multiplied with each other. So 3 raised to power 7 raised to power 3p times 7 raised to power 5 times p is 5p. But now in this question the bases are same. So 7 raised to power 3p plus 8p. The powers will be added. So 3p plus 8p will be 11p. So see, like this you can solve these questions with the help of third law of indices. Now we will do the fourth law. It is the last law of indices. Fourth law of indices. This law says if you have a raised to power n and b raised to power n, see, the bases are different but the power is same. So you can write in one bracket a times b whole raised to power n. Now we will just write it like this, or you can write it like this: a raised to power n, b raised to power n. So you can write ab whole raised to power n. For example, we can just understand this with the help of example. If you have 4 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 3, see, the bases are different but the power is same. So you can write 4 times 5 whole raised to power 3. So it means you can write 20 raised to power 3. Altogether you can write 20 raised to power 3. We can take another example. If you have 3 raised to power 7 times 8 raised to power 7, see, bases change but the powers are same. So you write 3 into 8 whole raised to power 7. So 3 times 8 is 24 raised to power 7. So these are the rules of indices. If you want to ask any question, you can write in the comment box.